Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube part 6 session 2 tutorial. So if you want the links for the previous parts and the session, I'll be giving the links in the description. So please go check them out. And now let's get right into the video. In this video, I'll be teaching you the last two steps in the last layer. Before that, you should have finished the white cross, first layer, second layer, and the first two steps in the last layer, which are the yellow cross and the permutation of the corners. So the third step of the last layer is to orient the yellow corners, which means that all the corners should face topwards like this. Now let's see how we can do it. Till now we had been solving the cube by holding the yellow on top and the white on bottom. But now for this you will be rotating the cube so that white will be on top, yellow is on the bottom. So now in the bottom, as yellow is there, you have to choose one unsolved, which is not orientated yellow corner. For example, this is not oriented because when you keep the yellow on top, you can see that this is not facing top. This is oriented because this is facing top. So as you're holding the cube like this, you have to choose one non-oriented yellow corner like this and keep this in the bottom right. And now do the right alg. Now check if the corner is solved. No, it's not. Now do the right alg again. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now check. It's not solved. Do it again. R, U, R prime, U prime. Check. It's not yet solved. Do it again. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now it's solved. Now you can see that the cube is full messed up, but it's not a big deal. You can solve it again. Now you have to orient the other yellow corners. So to do so, you have to do a D move. So after doing a D move, you can find a non-oriented yellow corner in the bottom right. So sometimes if you do a D move, you will find an oriented yellow corner which you can ignore and do a D move again. Check if it's not oriented. If this is oriented, D move, and you can see that this is not oriented. Now you should do the same. Do the right alg, R, U, R prime, U prime. Check, it's not solved. Do it again. R, U, R prime, U prime. It's solved. Now I'll show you another example. So here you can see that none of the yellow corners are oriented. So you can take any yellow corner in the bottom right and do the right alg. Check, not solved. Do the right alg. Check, it's solved. And to solve the next yellow corner, do a D move and bring the unsolved yellow corner to the bottom right and do the right alg. Check, not solved. Right alg. Check, this is solved. And do the same for the others. D move, right alg, not solved. Right alg, check, not solved. Right alg, check, not solved. Right alg, check, this is solved. And the other, D move and do the same. And now you have learned to solve the yellow corners so that they are oriented properly, which is the third step of the last layer. And now let's get into learning the last step in the last layer, which is permutating the yellow edges. In this there are totally 4 cases and I'll be showing them now. So the first case looks like this. In this, one side is solved and 3 edges are not solved, which means 1 edge is solved and 3 are not. In this you can see that the edges swap like a triangle. What I mean by that is this blue edge goes here, this red comes here, and this green goes here, so it forms like a triangle. So to solve these 3 edges, you have to first face this solved edge, which is the solved color. And now check for a center and an edge like this, which are opposite. So green and blue are opposite. because green and blue centers are opposite. So if these two opposite center and edges are on the left, what you should do is do the right alg one time facing the solid edge in front of you, and do the left alg one time, and now do the right alg 5 times. RU R prime U prime 1 time, RU R prime U prime 2 times, RU R prime U prime 3 times, RU R prime U prime 4 times, RU R prime U prime 5 times. And now do the same with the left alg, which is you have to do it 5 times. RU R prime U prime 1 time, sorry, L prime U prime LU 2 times, L prime U prime LU 3 times, L prime U prime LU 4 times, L prime U prime LU 5 times, and now you can finish the cube. Now I'll be showing you the second case. Even in the second case, one edge is solved, which is one color is solved and 3 are not solved. The difference between the first case and the second case is that if you observe closely, in the first case, in the left side, the center and the edge are opposite. But in this, in the right side, the center and the edge are opposite. So this case is just the mirror of the previous case. So even the algorithm should be the mirror. So in the for the previous case you did the right alg first, but this time you will be doing the left alg. So do the left alg one time, L prime U prime L U, and now do the right alg one time, R U R prime U prime. Now do the left alg 5 times, L prime U prime L U 1 time, L prime U prime L U 2 times, L prime U prime L U 3 times, L prime U prime L U 4 times, L prime U prime L U 5 times, and now the right alg 5 times, R U R prime U prime 1 time, R U R prime U prime 2 times, R U R prime U prime 3 times, R U R prime U prime 4 times, R U R prime U prime 5 times, and you can again finish the cube. And now for the third case. So in this case, 4 edges are not solved, and these edges swap opposite. So red edge goes here, orange edge comes here, green edge goes here, blue edge goes here. So now hold the cube however you want. You can hold it like this, 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 or this, but you have to face yellow on top, white on bottom. And now do the same like for the first case. Right alg 1 time, left alg 1 time, and right alg 5 times, left alg 5 times. And now you can see that you have come to one of the previous cases. So here 3 edges are not solved and 1 edge is solved. And this is like the first case, because in the left side there are the opposite colors, green center and blue edge. So do the first case algorithm. Right alg 1 time, left alg 1 time, and right alg 5 times, left alg 5 times. And there you go, you have solved the cube with the third case. Now it's time for the fourth case, which is the last one. Even in this case, 4 edges are not solved. The difference between this case and the previous case is that in the previous case the edges were swapping opposite, but in this they are swapping adjacent. So red comes here and green comes here, blue comes here, orange comes here. So now you can do the same. Hold the cube however you want, but yellow on top, white on bottom, and do the right alg 1 time, left alg 1 time, right alg 5 times, and the left alg 5 times. And now you again came to the one of the first 2 cases. In this, 3 edges are not solved and 1 edge is solved, and recognize which case is this. So in this, the opposite center and edges are on the right. So now you have to start with the left alg 1 time, right alg 1 time, left alg 5 times, right alg 5 times. And now you have to solve the cube even with the fourth case. So now you have learned to solve the whole cube. Congratulations! So guys, I think you have now understood to solve the last 2 steps in the last layer. Please do share and comment this video, and also please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates, Please be free to leave any further doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.